So I'm going to start off by drawing the top of the head, then the side, the jaw, and then back of the head. And there you go, that's our basic head shape. So I'm going to draw a line going down just to show which way the character is facing, and then I'm going to do a line across just for the eye line. Okay, so now I'm just going to draw a rough sketch of the face itself. So I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I actually like using these rectangle shapes. And then the nose, the mouth, and the line underneath the mouth as well. And then I'm just going to add 2 black dots just to show which way the character is looking. And now I'm going to draw the shape of the face. And the eyebrows. And then just a rough sketch of the hair. And then the ear. And then I'm just going to connect the ear to the jaw. And then I'll just quickly draw in the neck and shoulders as well. And now I'm going to draw over this with a darker pen. And that's it, how to draw a cartoon face. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're new, remember to subscribe.